Here are some things that we take into consideration when putting together an apartment bedroom. First of all, we want it to be comfortable for the client. So we make sure that everything that goes in the bedroom is geared toward helping the client relax when they're in there. Even down to the lamps, we want to make sure that the cords are hidden so that nobody can trip over them. You'd be surprised how far away those outlets can be from where the lamps are. We also work very hard to make it very homey. So one of the things we do is we always make sure there's artwork in there so people feel like they really are at home. Another thing we do, because a lot of people don't accept housekeeping while they're with us, so one of the things that we do is we make sure there's an extra set of sheets in the closet so that if they need them or they want to change their own sheets out and go wash them, they have an extra set to put on right away. We do have clients who work at nights, and we are working with those clients when they request to be able to provide them with blackout curtains or blackout shades, usually blackout curtains, because we also have some requirements to stay within the guidelines of the apartment communities that we are working in. We have queen size beds. That's really comfortable for a lot of people because they have room to spread out. Recently had a client who said, I'm just really looking forward to putting my suitcases under the bed. They can't do that in a hotel because most of those hotels' beds are boxed now so that nobody can stick stuff under the bed and it can get lost, or who knows what can end up under a bed, right? But ours are actual beds with bed frames. So it's convenient for the customer. We make sure that they have some additional toiletries just in case so that they have access to something until they have time to get to the store. Again, they've been traveling. Some of them have been traveling all day long. So the last thing they want to do is have to rush out to Walmart